Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Socratic by Google application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Socratic application on your device. And once you open it up, if you have already logged into your account, you will directly be taken into the home page. Now, within the home page, you will be asked to take a photo of your question so that Google Socratic can help you out. Now, within this page, if you tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, you will simply find your Google account icon at the top section. If you tap on the drop-down menu, you will find other options and options to switch your account, but there is no direct option to log out from the Socratic app. So in order to log out, long press on the Socratic application and tap on the info button. Now, this will take you into the application info page for Socratic by Google. Now, first of all, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. Now, from the Storage menu, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the Delete button, and this will delete all of your user data within the Socratic application by Google. Once this step is completed, all of your user data and your login information will be removed from the Socratic application. Now, once you open up the application, you will see that you are asked to log in once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Socratic by Google application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.